Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and we are installing T-Sportline's Comfort Ride tuned shocks on this Tesla Model Y. Now, you may have read about this, and this is our solution for giving you that luxury comfort ride conversion on a Tesla Model 3 or a Model Y. We love these cars, but from the factory, the suspension, it's a bit rough. When you hit a bump, pothole, things like that, it can be a little bit bone jarring for most. One of the most common questions we hear from Tesla owners is, wow, the ride is so tough and harsh on this thing. What can we do to improve that? Well, here we go. Comfort tuned soft suspension. This is a performance upgrade in that it's really going to allow the ride of the vehicle to transform. When you go over a pothole, you go over a bump, it's much softer, it's much quicker to rebound. So not only is it gonna feel better, but it's going to stabilize quicker. That's thanks to these special shocks. These are made by Koni for T-Sportline. This has got their frequency selective active damping. So basically dialed in specifically for a Tesla Model 3 or a Model Y. It's going to sense the load coming out of the suspension, the harshness, and it's going to soften the dampening much better than a factory shock, and it's going to stabilize quicker. So easy upgrade here. We are doing an installation here today on this customer's white Model Y. Really common to come to us to get these swapped in. Basically, it's a simple exchange. You take out the factory shocks and struts, you plug these in. These work with factory springs, or you can opt to have these with the T-Sportline lowering springs, or of course our lift kit if you're going up for overlanding. So bolt-in, plug and play, no permanent modifications, no cutting, anything like that. We have these available for all Model 3 and Ys except for the current Juniper and Highland that have active suspension. So if you have the active suspension, which you can always tell if you have it because if you look at your shock, it's going to have the module on here, which is the electronically controlled shock. It works for all other 3s and Ys except for if you have that active shock. So easy plug and play from T-Sportline. This our technicians installing. Now you do need a spring compressor to compress the front shock strut assembly. If you don't have one, you can actually buy these from us with our lowering springs installed as an assembly. And we did that for DIY. So you could do this at home without using a spring compressor. So check it out on the website, tsportline.com. We're getting ready to put these in, and make sure, of course, the authentic ones from T-Sportline with our logo and our identification decal down here. This stuff is going in. All right, everybody, if you want to improve the ride on your Model 3, Model Y, look no further than this. Give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back soon because we've got a lot more upgrades to share with you.